I'm Matt Forshaw. I'm based in the School of Computing, working across data science and artificial intelligence. When we're talking about AI skills, we can think about the way that we all experience AI through our daily lives. We're all passive consumers of AI systems, whether that's recommendation engines when we're choosing what to watch, or on e-commerce platforms, or the ways that AI is being embedded within some public services. We're also talking about the way that we might experience AI within a work context. That could be making the conscious decision to use Copilot or ChatGPT, or that might be a work system that you use using AI behind the scenes to perform some actions. One of the big challenges that we face in the UK is that AI literacy, people's understanding, and the way that they define skills takes place differently. Different organisations of different sizes may think about AI in different ways. The general public have different levels of understanding. One of the places where we see this come to life is around recruitment for AI roles. Job descriptions that are shopping lists of essential and desirable criteria, which very often are everything that that company's nearest competitors are asking for, plus a few things added in for local flavour. If we want to end up in a situation where the AI workforce is as diverse and as representative of the UK population as a whole, what we do know is entirely the type of people that we want to cultivate into this workforce, when faced with an essential criteria, would be detracted, would see themselves not belonging in that role and not make their application. Whereas the typical demographics that we do see well represented and overrepresented in the field may apply irrespective. So our solution to this challenge was to develop the AI Skills for Business Competency Framework. This is a framework that was developed with the government's Department for Science, Innovation and Technology, and also the funder Innovate UK. And it exists to provide that shared language, that common terminology that employers can use when they're designing job descriptions, that the general public can look at to understand what AI skills should mean for them, and also serve as a reference point for universities and training providers when they're developing their programs. One of the key benefits of taking this competency-based approach is it opens up opportunities to people who've maybe not taken conventional academic pathways, may not have an original degree in data science or AI, may not have a degree at all. So this competency-based approach really allows people to advocate for the skill sets that they have and develop a better understanding of the skills that they still need to develop for the future of work. One of the most exciting routes to impact that we've seen so far has been working with Skills England, who are the government agency who develop apprenticeship standards. We've supported the development of 3 AI leadership apprenticeship units, which are fully funded executive education offerings, so free at the point of access for organisations, which really talk about how AI adoption should be done safely and responsibly, and really advocates for the skills that are necessary across the full workforce to get there. So for me, seeing the impact of this work evolve is really exciting. So earlier in my career, I was Programme Director of Newcastle University's first data science and AI programmes, and it's been really encouraging to see that experience and the benefit that we've had of being in such a data and an AI-rich region, seeing the change that we've been able to make in terms of supporting more inclusive recruitment practices, the creation of training programmes that are more inclusive and accessible to a much broader audience than they were before. Already to date, we've had around 1,400 trained professionals who've come through apprenticeship programmes that this framework has supported to create. When I joined Newcastle University in around 2006, I joined through the Partners Scheme, a widening participation scheme, and I had very few A-levels to speak of. I, at that point, really benefited from an inclusive approach to education. So it's been really nice being able to play a role in passing those values out and seeing them applied nationally. I'm incredibly proud to have received this award, but also I see it as a real opportunity and a responsibility to be able to pay back to the university community and support in any way I can to support other researchers to have similar impact across policy. Policy engagement isn't something that always comes naturally. I certainly felt quite apprehensive individually going into that work, figuring out the best ways to translate our experience at Newcastle nationally, but it's something that I hope to be able to give back across the Newcastle community in future.